objects. Okay, now I'll give you two examples. Tell which one is a set, okay? So one is the collection of all the colors of the rainbow. Okay? Another one is the collection of all intelligent students in the class. So which one is a set? The first one or the second one? The first or second? The first is the set because it is well defined. 7 colors. So we can name them, right? But in the intelligent student, the second one, because some people will be telling that guy is an intelligent student. Some people will be telling that guy is not an intelligent student. Or one person will be studying well and he'll be an intelligent student, and after some time he won't be studying well. So it's not well defined. Depending that, it's only the set is defined. So a set is nothing than a collection of objects that's well defined. So now we can learn the notation. How we should write the set, the notation. Okay, we can learn about that. Just wait a minute. So notation. So as set. So the set will be written in capital letters and the members will be written in small letters. Can you understand what I am telling? So I'll give you a question, that is the set of the first 3 alphabets. So we'll be writing it like A, such that these 2 dots are known as such that. So this A is known as set. This is the set. So A such that we'll be drawing a curly bracket. This is called as this curly bracket. And we'll be writing the first 3 alphabets. What are they? A, B, C. This is how we should write a set. So not only A, B, C, there are many questions. So this is the notation. How we need to write this set. So keep in mind that this such that is very important when you are writing. We can also write in some places they used to write the such that like this. Just one small slash. We can write this also. It's same meaning, such that, such that. Okay, now in some places you may have seen like this. Or like this. Like this. X, one type of 3 in A. X, like this, B. So it's not read as 3. It's written as right here. So when that symbol comes, you need to keep this word in your mind. Belongs. So this symbol means it belongs to. So X belongs to A. Here X does not belong. So does not means just one small slash. I'll show you clearly. The center one slash. So that's known as X does not belong to B. So you understood the notation? So the set will be written in capital letters and the members will be written in small letters. Okay? Okay, now we can learn erase and dash. So the representation of this set. How we can represent the sets? So there are 3 ways in representing a set. Description method, roster or tabular form, or rule or set builder form. It's not role, it's rule. Rule or set builder form. Okay, now we can learn about the description method. So the word itself you can find, right? Describing. But how we can define? How we can describe? So the question is write the set of all the days of a week. So then you will be thinking, so I should write all the days. No, you don't need to write all these things in the description method. Just write like this. Write it here. need to write like this. We don't need to write all the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Don't want. Just all days of a week. So this is known as the description method. The description method is only the way how we need to write. So in the question which I told, this is the way how we need to write. So all days of a week. Another example is a set of all the colors of a rainbow. So we need to write all colors of a rainbow. That's all. We need to write red, all those colors. Just the colors of a rainbow. So that's known as description method. So this same method, if you need to write in roster or tabular form, how will you write? I'll show you. But one difference can you find? Here I didn't write this A. So in description method we don't need to write this A. But in roster and this set builder form we need to write. Okay? So now we can learn about the roster or tabular form. Okay. So in the roster form, so that this question that the set of all days of the week will be writing like this. This will be there. Such that will be there. And a curly bracket, and we will be writing all the days. We will not be writing all days of a week. We will be writing all the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We will be writing and we will be just putting small dots and we will be just closing it. So this is the way we need to write in the roster form. So in the roster form is also known as tabular form. And we will be using this. Mainly, what's this symbol? Comma. Very important in the roster or tabular form. So after we write a member, we'll be drawing a comma. After we write a member, we'll be drawing a comma. That's the way we used to represent the set, the roster or tabular form. So in set builder form, it seems to be a bit confusing, but it's very easy. So I'll show you. We'll be writing it like this. Can I change the question? I'll change the question. The first 5 months of the months of a year. The first 5 months of a year. Okay. So we'll be writing it like this. I'm taking B, then such that we'll be drawing a curly bracket. Do you think we'll be writing it directly? No. Can you understand anything? So we'll be writing the set in the capital letter and this members coming in small letter X. This is first itself I told you it is such that the same symbol, but I just put a small slash. So X, 2 ways we can write. Like this belongs to the first months of a year, or we need to write X without drawing this belongs to it also we can write. There are 2 ways, but the most easiest and simplest way is drawing this belongs to. First itself I told you it belongs to. If it does not belong to, just don't strike. So this method is known as set builder form. So you need to be able to, if they gave a question, quickly you need to write the set builder form. So this question is, what question I told? The first 5 months. So you need not to write the same description method only. You need to write all the months. Just write this belongs to, or you want to just write is the set. Don't write the set. Just write the 5 months of a year. Yes, belongs to the first 5 months of a year. That's all. But in the roster form, you need to write all the first 5 months. January, February, March, April, May. The first 5. January, February, March, April, May. Understood, friends? So these are the 3 ways in which we can represent the set. But in most of the places they'll be using the roster method, but because it's the most easier method. Okay, the types. Okay, I'll write in this blackboard 3 types. Okay, now I wrote just 4 sets I wrote. This is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, it goes on infinity. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. A is equal to T. A is equal to just 0 and that one slash. I'll tell you what's that. So, here, which one is a finite set? No, finite set. So, this is also a finite set. This is also a finite set. But this is not a finite set. It's not a finite set. These two are known as finite set. So, this is countable. How much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's countable. So, if the question is, the number of stars in the sky, it's not a finite set. It goes in the infinite set. But this is a finite set. A, E, I, O, U. The question is actually the vowels of the English alphabet. So, this is known as a finite set. It used to be countable. For example, another question is, the English alphabet. It's a finite set, 26. So from just 26, it's countable. So that's known as the finite set. Infinite set. Which one's the infinite set? Easy, it's here. So the infinite set will be often using this symbol. Dot, 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 dot. It goes on. So here 1, 2, 3. The question is actually all the numbers. So all the numbers means it goes on. We don't know how much up to 50 or up to 10. We don't know. So I just draw this. Totally we need to draw just 3 dots. That's a mathematical rule. Just we need to draw 3 dots. Okay. So that's known as infinite set. So now I'll drop this collapse key. Okay. So what is this set? Just one T is there. Single. So what does single means? Just one. Single means just one. So here only T is there. The question is actually the first letter of my name. Taran. So my name is Taran. So then the first name is letter is T. So that's what I wrote. That's a singleton because only one is there. The name itself you can find. Single. Only one. Just T. Another one examples. The first letter in the English alphabet. A. That's a singleton set. Okay. So now we can learn the empty set. So empty set means nothing. You can find the name. Nothing is there. So that we represent in this symbol. Either like this. So wait, I will put this. Either like this or like this. On just a small slash. I just draw it wrongly. So just a small circle of 0 and just a small slash. So that's how we represent the empty set. For example, I can tell you and a whole number below 0. Below 0, is there any whole number? Only negative indicas are there. So that will be representing in this symbol. Understood? That is, if the question itself we can find, but they will be given. Under that there will be, it confuses us. Oh, below that there will be, or we will be researching everywhere. But no, a whole number below 0. A whole number just start from 0. So whole whole number. So we need to just write like this. A is equal to curly bracket this 0 slash that's all close to the curly bracket. Understood, friends? So these are the types of set. And I will tell you about the equal sets also. Now equal set, and then we can go to the cardinal number. So equal set means they both will be equal. So two sets can I tell you? Before that, let me erase this. So two sets I'll tell you. I'll write on the board. So here I wrote, so here I just wrote A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2. Here I wrote this is the second sum, this is first sum, second sum. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here B is equal to 1, 2, 4. Is this a equal set? Okay, now we will be learning a max rule. That is, even if the members get exchanged, but even they are same and if they get exchanged, it's a equal set. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here see 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. I just exchanged. It confused you, I know that. So here I just exchanged. So B is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2. It's an equal set. But look at here, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 4. He has no 3, he has no 4. So that's not equal set. Because I haven't exchanged. If I wrote here also 4 and here I wrote 1, 2, 4 and 3 means that's a equal set. Understood? So that's the equal set. So these are the types of the sets. Now we can learn the cardinal number. I'll let the sum will be there. I'll write one more sum. I'll tell you what I wrote. Here I wrote A is equal to 1, 2, 3 for the same sum. B is equal to T, A or N. So this question is actually the letters in the name Taran, my name. So it's the Taran, how many words? Here one more rule we are going to learn. So here you will be thinking T, A, R, A, N. You will be writing like that. Do you know why? Even if that set is 2 times, the members 2 times, you need not to consider the other one. So here 2A was there. I just cutted on A. On A I just cutted. So T, A or N. That's all. That's what I wrote here. T. Oh, wait a minute. T, A or N. So is this? So what's the cardinal? These both are finite set. So what's the cardinal number? So cardinal number is nothing that we need to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So we'll be thinking we need to write like this. 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should not write like this. 4. You think so? No, we need to write like this. N. This N is very important. Bracket. So here I wrote A. So the A, that must be the same. Don't write some other letter. Don't write here C. Write A. Such that or you can just put equal to and write 4. That's how you need to write cardinal number. Mistakenly don't write like this. See, cardinal number, not like that. Just n, then bracket what alphabet they gave in this set, what alphabet they gave, that. So for this also n, I'll write that also. So n is, then the curly bracket I just wrote b, and I just, wait a minute, I'll write above. So just look at here. So I wrote n is equal to, so I wrote TA or n, right? So 4. So 4 is the cardinal number. You understood? So B, but cardinal number is for only for finite set. For infinite set we can't find that cardinal number because already infinite set is going on. It's not countable. So how can we write the cardinal number? So this is how we need to write the cardinal number. Understood, friends? And here one difference, can you see? I wrote something is different. That is, can you see? Here I just put this type of curved bracket. Here I just drew curly bracket. So when writing the cardinal number, you need not draw this type of bracket. Just draw a small curve. A parenthesis like this. And just write what alphabet they gave in the question and just write the cardinal number. Understood, friends? So I think so you loved my class today. So in today's class I introduced the topic and we learned about the topic sets. So we learned about the notation and how we need to represent the set, how we should represent. So 3 ways are there: the description method, and roster and tabular form, a rule method, or set builder form. Then types. There is a finite set, infinite set, then singleton set, empty set, then equal sets also types of set only. Then we learned how we need to find the cardinal number. So thank you, friends. Bye. See you in the next maths classroom, friends. Bye bye.